Going towards the video, I would like to ask you to read this disclaimer. Pause for a second. Okay, if you read it, then move forward.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Today's 12 January 2021, and this is my balance for the day. And if you are watching my videos regularly, then you know that it is my yesterday's balance. Okay, guys, I've already taken one trade here because there was a strong move towards the downside, and unfortunately, I missed that move again. But if you are my regular listener or my regular watching my videos, so you know my concept that market cannot go with same momentum towards a same direction at once. It has to be breathe in, breathe out space. So this was breathe out space. So here I found the opportunity after this candle formed. So here I made a trade and here I get out. So unfortunately, because of some technical reasons, this trade has not been recorded. But if you see here, I made $700 on that trade. You could see my balance has increased there. So I made $700 on this trade. You could see that my balance increased. Okay, so this was that it was the trade. If you see the date, 12/1/2021, it was my profit which I made here, 668. And so this trade which I have already told you, so I could not record this trade, but I have recorded this trade. So here, as you could see, there is a strong downtrend. So strong down move has happened here. So once this candle comes in this zone, so I place another sell entry. So let's see what happened. See, I'm in the trade. My stop loss just above this candle. And here I made my TP. Price is going towards my direction. See, I'm in profit right now. Strong candle, at most probably it will hit my TP target. Price is going towards my target. New candle is forming. Oh, very good move. Come on, gold, hit the target. It is just about to reach my target. It is about to reach my target. Just about to touch the target. Because the price has reached there. See, guys, this is what happened for the novice trader or a newbie. In this case, you have seen that price has reached to my target, but my position does not close because of the spread. Because I will close on this red line. Okay, so visually price has reached to my target, but I have a short position, so therefore I will be out on this red line, which is a spread and 3 pips spread difference. So therefore I'm not out from the trade. Otherwise, price has reached there. See, price has reached. The new candle has formed. Still, I missed by a margin. No new candle has formed. So I am thinking to take my profit. I will wait a little because there is a very strong momentum toward downside. But now I'm closing my position. Yes, right now I'm closing my position as price is going back, so I don't want to lose my profit. I have already a one winning trade, so this is the second of the day. So I'm just waiting when I should press the button. Okay, I am pressing the button right now. Yes, I have done it. And you see my balance. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching the video. This is my balance. So I started a day with 3400. So right now it is 4600. So it means that I made $1200 profit, and I took two trades, both were winner. So approximately I made 600 on each trade. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel where it's no bullshit like that. I'm just uploading my trade on daily basis. So it is not like the see, it's not like the other gurus. If you could see, this is the chart. Once this thing has happened, anyone can claim. You put any formula and you can say that if this line has crossed and this will happen and that will happen. But doing trading in live market and then upload your trade on daily basis, this is something called skills. So the purpose of this channel is this, to show you how to trade. And see, my first trade was this, where I went against the trend and I scalped the trade. Here I get out from that trade, and second I went with the trend, so which was reached there, but because of the spread I couldn't make. So you never know what happened. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like it.